So this is the 2014 Junior Cert Ordinary Level Paper 2, and we're looking at question 13. A circular table is shown in the diagram below. Aoife is trying to find the centre of the table. She constructs the right angle triangle PQR as shown, with QR equal to 1 metre and the angle RPQ equal to 90 degrees. She measures QP and finds that QP is 0.75 metres. So here we have our diagram. Aoife says that the centre of the circular table must be on PR. So the centre of the circular table must be on this line segment. Explain why Aoife is correct. Well, because this right angle is here, because the angle PQR is 90 degrees, and it goes back, both lines from the angle go and touch the circle, this line here must be a diameter. This is one of the circle theorems, that a diameter on a circle, if you join the ends of a diameter to any point on the outside of the circle like so, it will always form a 90-degree angle. So we can say because PQR is 90 degrees, therefore PR, the line segment PR, is a diameter, and a diameter contains the centre. Okay, part 2 says use the theorem of Pythagoras to calculate the length of PR and give your answer in centimetres. Okay, so Pythagoras theorem, it's in your tables book, but Pythagoras says if you have a right angle triangle with sides A, B and C, well, A squared plus B squared is C squared. So this is Pythagoras theorem. So we're just going to redraw our triangle RQP or PQR, so with 1, 0.75, and we're looking for the diameter, so this is 1 metre, this is 0.75 metres, and we're looking for PR, so we're looking for this side here, so you can call it X. So you're just going to match up the X is the hypotenuse, which is the C. The 1 metre here can be our A value, and the 0.75 could be our B value. So we're just going to plug these values now into the formula. So A squared plus B squared, so the green squared plus the blue squared, so that's 1 squared. 1 squared plus 0.75 squared will be equal to X squared, the yellow squared. So the left side here, when you put this in the calculator, that becomes 1.5625. So that's what X squared is. So if X squared is this, well then X will be the square root of that. And on our calculator, the square root of this will give us a value of 1.25. So 1.25, it does say give your answer in centimetres. Now I've worked this out in metres, I've kept all these values in metres, so that's 1.25 metres. that's equal to 125 centimeters, because there's 100 centimeters in a meter. And finally, part 3, find the radius of the table given your answer, give your answer in centimeters. Well, the radius will be half the diameter. So if the diameter is 125, the radius will be 125 divided by 2, which is 62.5 centimeters. And that's the end of the question.